My name is Kelly McLemore, and I had a very bad spinal condition that the neurologist didn't have a cure for. They basically said I wasn't a candidate for surgery. I had dizzy spells, paralysis in my arms and legs, breathing difficulties. I didn't sleep more than maybe 3 to 4 hours broken, or maybe 5 hours a night for probably about 8 months. Basically, I was just in the physical therapy that they finally had me do after they ruled out MS and other neurological diseases. They just said I had a 3 compressed disc that they couldn't recommend surgery for, so I was relegated to physical therapy for the rest of my life. It was getting worse with the physical therapy, and they gave me a home TENS unit, and that didn't help. I went to different physical therapists, and that it just aggravated the situation to the point where I couldn't do anything. I couldn't sleep at night, couldn't lift anything without having dizzy spells, disorientation, so tight in my chest that I couldn't breathe. I was recommended to come here by a lady that had a car accident, and I was kind of hesitant to come because I was kind of afraid to come to a chiropractor. But I did, and they found some things that the MRIs didn't find. Believe it or not, they found that I had scoliosis on top of the compressed disc, and I had some congenital fusion in my upper spine near my neck. And so Dr. Brenda has recommended the spinal decompression machine. She said it wouldn't necessarily cure me, or it helps some people and doesn't help others, but for me it was pretty much of a miracle. After I started doing the decompression machine for 4 days a week for 4 months, I found, even after the very first time I was put on my adjustment, my spinal decompression and my physical therapy, that I went from night and day. Just was feeling so much better. I could lift things. I mean, not immediately could I do a lot of things, but I could sleep. I started sleeping through the night a month after the physical therapy, and after the 4 months of spinal decompression, and now it's been almost 3 years, and I'm jogging now. I just got up to 2 miles. I still have to be careful. I come in once a month if I have any problems with my breathing, or I can feel like a rib's out of place. I'll come and have an adjustment maybe more than once a month, but usually it's about once a month. But feeling so much better. I'm more in tune with my body. I can tell when a rib's out of place, or I can just feel it. And Dr. Brenda's given me a lot of advice, and also the other people here, the other people that work with her for physical therapy have showed me how to do exercises that have helped me to be able to maintain a more active lifestyle in between visits. And I just have to say, it's been a miracle, and I recommend it to anybody who wants to have a chance at feeling better. I mean, I'm not saying it's always a cure, but it's going to give you a better idea of how to be in touch with your body. And also, Dr. Brenda and her staff are just very caring, and they listen to every concern that you have, and they give you advice on vitamins, which she's done, and it's helped me a lot, and also just general health care. So anyway, I'm really happy with my time here, and I keep coming, so I recommend everybody does that.